Hey guys, we're back. Sorry for the absence. I know our 14 fans were very sad, but we're back. Don't worry.
I was very
And that Texas Chainsaw number 2.
Hey buddy, can we bribe you?
Yeah, we bribe you. Strip yourself down.
I know I got these scars. My father was a drinker, a fiend. One night he goes off crazier than usual. Mommy grabs a kitchen knife to defend herself. He isn't like that. Not one bit.
Are we still recording?
So, me watching, he takes the knife from Mommy. You interrupted my speech.
Trying to make it funny, man.
No.
Try to make it.
Where do I got these scars?
Hey buddy, can we bribe you? Strip yourself down.
I'm trying to get one part while I say it fully. Just one. Where do I got these scars?
There's a bomb strapped to my...
Christian's putting pizza in the oven. What is that? You said pizza? It's putting pizza in the oven, guys? You know where pizza comes from?
What?
Italy? He's taking pizza out of the oven? You know, you kinda...
Oh my god, the scars. My father was a drinker. It's God! You're Italian music.
Wait, what? Did you say Italian?
Oh. Yeah. And you should be breaking free. I want to break free!
There's
a guy next to me.
I'm the guy. Wait, are you a girl?
Yeah, I'm a woman.
Wait, oh, you're next to me.
I'm
think.
in a circle. I'm going in circles.
Wait, alright, yep. Hey, Christian!
Oh, I gotta get out of here. Yo! See, now when there's a hole, there's a goal, and that the goal is to.
I'm gonna need you to teach me what to do. I don't know what to do, my man.
Gotta find a box.
Wait, come back. How do I stop crouching?
So we can get. Oh, hit B. So.
Oh, where are you?
They know where we are now.
Hey guys, I think the video's gonna end a little quicker than we thought. It just cuts to the end card. Just the explosion.
Alright. Now just make sure no one sees me.
I see you.
Oh wow, the image isn't like distorting like it usually
Hey
does.
Christian, we're gonna do some callbacks. I think it's about time you should put the thumbs up emoji guy in.
You mean like this?
Is that gonna be like in a cutaway? We don't see it yet. It's gonna be like a post. Oh, okay. See, you gotta tell me these things, man.
Title card. Yeah, that's right. I didn't do an intro.
Explosion.
I'm James
Where did you
and
go?
today we're looking at Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. Title card!
Easton is a poopy Easton.
Wait, this is not the where'd the big door go? Oh, it's very. Oh.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No,
Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument.
instrument.
Raises hand.
Horseradish is not an instrument
either.
Yeah, think. Guess who opened the door? I guess who woke up Grandpa?
Oh, my grandpa's fat.
Both of them were me. Uh-oh.
Wait, you can't leave me. I was playing Italian music. Come back. This is the hitchhiker? Can you
Hey!
see us?
You can't.
Help me, I'm dying! I'm dying!
Don't die. What do you boy forgot there was a... Is there actually, like, no way to escape? Oh, no, there is.
Oh, he's chasing me!
Oh, it's not chasing me.
Help me! I'm being stabbed!
Eh,
Help me,
No.
Christian!
I don't know where you are. I'm already outside.
I'm dying!
Maybe just stop dying.
Oh. 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 Check it out.
Okay, I climbed in a hole.
Yo, I heard Sissy. I heard Sissy. Love, look at your
Wait, is there any way to get health back?
Oh yeah, if you find low health potions, you drink them, and they give you back health. Did you escape?
Mm-mm. Well, I
So
got
you're still
away
running?
from Hitchhiker. No, I got away from
Okay.
Hitchhiker.
Yeah, well, that's what
I
that's what meant.
went-
That the button.
Wait, who's near me? Oh, Hitchhiker, he found me!
12 seconds later.
Hey,
Seems to be a. Oh, who's dying? Is that
me!
Ethan? No!
Yeah, oh, I punched him!
Get him out! Go! Run, Jet! Run! Run, Ethan! Just
Stop, Mr. Hitchhiker! Mr. Hitchhiker, stop this!
I survived for. I'm up to beat on that
I'm
part.
literally one hit, I'm dead.
Oh, Sissy found me! Sissy found me! Sissy found me! Sissy
Dang
found me.
it, I died.
Shit. I have to do another bleep right there. God dang it.
Guys, is that hot in here, or is it just me? I'm about to spectate you.
Oh!
Dude, that Hitchhiker will not stop. He's cray-cray. You know who else is cray-cray?
Cooler than you.
Italians.
I'm scared.
Add the music,
What do
'cause I already did. Run.
No. Okay. What I need to do is I need to go back to get to the toolbox and open the.
Oh, he's over there.
Stop. God. Let's go. Okay. How are we supposed to get past Grandpa?
I missed the way.
Okay, I gotta go put the pizza in. Easton, I gotta go take the pizza out, okay? You entertain our viewers while I camp in the bush and hopefully don't get caught.
Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm Easton. I'm the cool one, and I'm gonna do some stand-up comedy while Christian is gone. Putting the pizza in. Pizza? Where's pizza from? Italy? Wait. Oh no. What's funnier than 24? Yeah, it's got in the back. 24! Oh, yeah, you guessed it. Y'all are too smart. Uh-oh, guys. Grandpa's awake. What a Sigma. did the chicken cross the road? I actually have no idea. Don't ask me. George Cooper. If you know, sometimes,
Sometimes some crimes go slipping through the cracks.
But these two gumshoes, they're picking up the slack.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Can I play a song?
No, I need to hear things.
That's
I'm sorry, what the fuck?
Get the
have a
generator.
pizza party. Don't
Wait,
mind if I do.
is the generator off?
Wait, what did you say? Did you say something about a pizza party? You think the 50 viewers appreciate me?
Maybe. Yes.
I'm the only reason our videos are.
What? Oh! I'm gonna.
I think you should add the thumbs up emoji guy right now.
Out of here.
I think that now would be a good time to add the thumbs up emoji guy.
Like this?
Exactly like that.
Ah.
I'm just kidding. Anyway.
5 minutes, I gotta go cut the pizza and then bring the pizza in my room.
Wait, whoa,
Oh god, not again.
What did you say? Could you please repeat for the people in the back?
Cut the pizza and bring it in my room and eat the pizza.
Why are you having pizza on Taco Tuesday?
See, it was either corn dogs or pizza.
Corn dogs? You mean like...
Yeah, wait, no, I wanna be.
I wonder why you don't want to
No,
be that
she
certain
declined
guy.
Please stop. I can't control myself. Oh, yeah! Click is bringing the heat out the kitchen. Yeah!
Check out this room! What now?
Mom says we're not allowed in the living room today or else.
She's worried we'll mess up the couches by jumping on them or something.
And she's right. You can't jump on these. Not like this. They need some adjustment. Yeehaw! Let's take a look under the hood. Yeah. Where's my jack? Sorry. What we got here? There we go. It's oversized. That's unusual. Here it is. Down, Simba! Down, Simba! Get out of here! Brandy, what's up? Thanks for the help. Back in a second. Your couch mechanic. You ought to call Mr. Cat Wrench.
But that's okay. Go from the stream. God! Sorry. It's not a real person. Yada yada yada.
I just made so much noise.
Yeah, you know what? And now they're gonna find you and they're gonna kill you.
Besides, that's unusual.
Look how fast I can do this. Watch.
Her name was Lola. She was a show.
Boom. Where's the door? Where's the door? Where's the door? Where's the door, ref? Where's the door, ref? Wow. So much for ladies first. Oh, hello, Leatherface.
Oh, it is Butterface. I'll be there, partner.
He's going for you.
I
Focus.
see that. Oh no.
I'll open the door in a second. Oh! He didn't like that. He didn't like that, not one bit. He didn't like that, not
He
one
is
bit.
not coming for me. Oh shoot, I get the heck. Oh.
I'll open the door for you. Now you do the rest. Who are you?
Where are they? Are they both down here? They are.
Just stop moving. Do not move at all.
And if I die, what do we do?
Well then the video ends.
Title card. It's oversized! That's unusual! Go, Ethan, go!
Push A to sprint faster.
Wait! I couldn't see anything!
I've got problems with condors. Problems with condors. Why, oh why am I not at home? I ponder. Trust me, oh trust me. I'm your best friend, and I'll never eat eggs again.
Y'all heard what he said, right? He said, I'm your best friend. Well, viewers, I'm your best friend. Thank y'all for watching. And, thanks for being patient with our goofy upload schedule. And, yeah. Yeah. Comment down below. Comment, water is very nutritious. Thank y'all. This is why we're best friends.
I wonder who's watching me now.